So hi everyone, this is our group of the Mailbox. This is Adam, Shakir, my name is Haris, Firdaus, and I am Adam. Today we are at the library, so we are going to brief a bit about our components. So let's go.
So first of all, we bought our product from Mr. DIY and from online shopping, which is Shopee, and then another store in Bani. It's called roboticedu.my. So first of all, for my parts, is that I have 3 components here on my hand. Oops, sorry about that. So first one is battery and the battery holder, which is connected to the battery itself. So the battery is V9 battery, which costs about 10 ringgit, and the battery holder with these wires is cost about 50 cents. While on my other hand is the LED light, which cost about 10 cents.
Okay, so on my hand, I have 3 important components here, which is the motion sensor, and then the buzzer, and also the last one is the jumper wire. So for the cost for motion sensor is approximately around 3 ringgit and also 90 cents. And then for buzzer, which is cost 2 ringgit and 50 cents. And then the last one, the jumper wire, which are the male to female. That consists of these 2 important components, around 77 cents.
So for my parts, which as you can see right here, which is the first one is a mailbox. It's cost around 9 ringgits, and the next one is a bread box. It costs around 2 ringgits. Next is a resistor. It's around 1 ringgit, and lastly is a Arduino. It costs around 24 ringgits. And all of these parts we bought from the Shopee because as we survey from the retail store, all of these parts is more expensive out there. So we bought all of this in the Shopee.
So the total cost we spend in this material is 53.88 ringgit, but we will sell this mailbox for 59.90 ringgit.
So I hope all of you is clear about our components, and today we are going to make the product also. So we shall start.
Yeah, let's go.
So hello, I'm here doing my part, which is coding the Arduino Uno, the system itself, to function properly with the other components. So here you can look at my screen right now. In my code, I got help from DCS students. His name is Fizul. He's a very helpful person, and without him we cannot do this coding itself. And also we follow out the YouTube tutorials. So in this coding, I have put like the wordings and the words that explain what they do, what this function does, what this code do. So that is all for my part.
Okay, so this is Shakir. For my part, I will insert the LED light, the resistor and the buzzer in the breadboard. For buzzer, we need to insert it at 22F and 22E. Next, the resistor that need to be inserted at 6B and 6H. And then finally the last one, which is the LED light that need to be inserted at 6I and also 6 negative. That's all.
Hi, Fidos here. So for my part, we need to connect motion sensor with Arduino Uno and breadboard. So how we gonna connect this thing? We need to use male to female jumper wire. So for the first step, we need to insert the white wire into the number 30 positive hole at the right side on the breadboard. Next, we need to insert the black wire into the GND7 hole on the Arduino Uno. And lastly, we must insert the grey wire into the number 30 negative hole beside white wire on the right side of the breadboard. And we are done.
Hi,
This is Ahta, and I am responsible for connecting the jumper wire from the breadboard to the Arduino Uno. So, why do we need to connect the jumper wire from the breadboard to the Arduino Uno? Connecting a jumper wire from a breadboard to an Arduino Uno is fundamental for establishing electrical connections, enabling experimentation, integrating components, providing flexibility, accessing Arduino pins, and facilitating debugging in electronic projects. Each pin has different functions, so I have to make sure that the pins that I insert the jumper wires is correct so that our product can function excellently without fail. And as you can see right now, I am accessing the pins to connect to the Arduino Uno. And in our case is to establish electrical connections and integrating the Arduino Uno. Next is the purple wire from pin 22A to Arduino Uno. Then the blue wire from -1, and lastly is the gray wire from +2 to Arduino Uno. This is all for my part, and we are almost done to do this mailbox.
Finally, for my part, all I need to do is stick the sensor system on the back of the mailbox door by using the tapes. And then I connect the battery with the Arduino system by using a wire to supply the power, so that the sensor system can work.
So that's pretty much all of it for today. We have for this past 3 weeks we have showcased you our planning, our introduction of our members, and showcasing our materials and the prices and the total cost of it, where we buy, where we do it, and pretty much list of all the materials, and even showcase how we build the model itself and demonstrate how it functions. So that's pretty much for our team here today. So thank you.
Bye.